GFCI outlet stands for Ground Fault Circuit Interrupter. It's a protective device installed to prevent electrical shock. The GFCI outlet's function is it monitors incoming and outgoing power flow through the device. When the GFCI outlet senses an imbalance in that current flow, it causes the GFCI device to trip. That prevents any further electrical current flowing through the device to whatever the connected load may be, whether it be an appliance or a piece of equipment. A standard outlet does not offer any form of ground fault protection. So if you were to have a ground fault instance, the standard outlet would not provide the protection in shutting the circuit off. Yeah, you can test a GFCI outlet to make sure it's functioning properly on your own. There should be a test and reset button on the face of the outlet. You can simply hit the test button and the outlet should disengage, and by hitting the reset button it should then again provide power. Some GFCI outlets are built with their own self-test function, so you wouldn't have to necessarily test them on your own, but I would say at least on a monthly basis it would be good practice to test your GFCIs to make sure they're functioning properly.